Hello everyone. Today we are to discuss about meaning of science and importance of chemistry. Okay. So myself Professor Gayatri Arbanne. So today we are to discuss about what is the meaning of science, what is the exact meaning of science and what are the importance of chemistry. Okay. One by one. Okay. First one, what is the definition of science? The definition of science is what here? The science is a search for knowledge or truth. These science is what? Search for particular knowledge means it gives to knowledge. Search for things or knowledge. It is a systemized body of knowledge. It is based on the facts and evidence through the experimentations and observation. These science is what here? It is a search for knowledge and truth, and these are the systemized body of what here? Facts and reality means it is based on these evidence means experimental observations. Okay, this is what meaning of science. And these science is having a different types of the applications of knowledge is technology. This is what a definition of science. Okay, next, what are the different kinds, what are the different parts of science? That physics, biology, chemistry, and make your definition broad. That is what a different types of the science, which are the branches are present in the science, that is the physics, biology, chemistry, and different parts. These are the what different kinds of the science. Next, so I will explain about what is chemistry. Chemistry means what and what are the importance of chemistry in what here? Science. Okay. So this chemistry is a natural science that falls under the physical science. Means what here? Chemistry is a process. Chemistry is a branch of a science which deals with what here? Under the physical science. So these in chemistry there is a different types of these science. You know about chemistry means what? This is chemistry is a branch of science which deals with means you have to study about what here? Organic compounds, inorganic compounds, analytical compounds means you have to understand about what is the atoms, elements, block elements. These are the different parts you have to study in where? Chemistry. And this chemistry which is having a different types of the parts are there, that is you have to study one by one. So it's having a different types of the branches, that is organic chemistry means it is a study about what here? Bonds. That is what it study about what here? That is acid, base, organic salts, etc. Inorganic means bond, that is the chemical bonding means what here? Ionic bond, covalent bond means sharing the bond of electrons or the sharing the electron. Okay, that is what inorganic chemistry. Biochemistry means it is related with the biology. Okay, means what? Pharmaceutical compounds or benzenes, these are the biochemistry. Fats, carbohydrates, vitamins. Okay, next, physical chemistry means you have to study about what here? Physics means what here? Theories, derivations. Okay, next, analytical chemistry in the sense what here? This is a theory part of these analytical compounds, that is what here? Analytical chemistry. Next, here given the definition of chemistry, that is chem in the sense what here? Tree, and is try, that is given by the definition of chemistry. What is that? It is a natural science which can be broken down into the two categories. What is that? The blowing stuff of and making drugs. This chemistry means you are to making the drugs, and these are the blowing the stuff up. These are the two different categories. Major categories are present in where it is? Chemistry. Next, here given the different parts, different branches of chemistry, that is organic means acids, bases, and neutralization process. Biochemistry, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins. Physical, theory or derivations of particles. Inorganic, bonding process. These are the branches of chemistry. Next, here given the definition or given the particular means what are the exact information according to there is the branches of chemistry. What is that? First one, Analytical chemistry means studies composition of substances. Organic means these are contain carbon means they are having acid base, neutrals. Okay, inorganic means bonding. Without carbon means it is having ionic bonds, covalent bonds, and these are the what is sharing the electrons or sharing the atoms. Biochemistry, chemistry of living things, that is a biochemistry. Physical chemistry means substances, means a mechanism of reactions, energy transfer, theory and derivation of a particular particle, sigma, bond, gamma particles. These are the what branches of chemistry. Next, these branches of chemistry, that is a biochemistry, the chemistry of living things and plants and animals. This is what biochemistry. Analytical means it is deals with what here, what are the substance present in the materials and what is the substances and how much it be characterized or how what is the exact substances are present in that particular particles. That is what analytical chemistry. And this is what overlap between these branches, and these are the more branches. Okay, this is what applications where we are to use the chemistry. Okay, these chemistry can be used in the cooking substances. That is what you have to use batteries, food, paper, peels, soap, petrol, concrete, plastics. This is what uses of chemistry. And this is what where we have to use the chemistry as means different types of the fields are there. We to use means particular, it is in the form of job, that different types of the use, that is what atmospheric science, atoms. Okay, chemical engineering means there is a lab theory. Environment, chemistry is used. Solid state physics, forensic science, biochemistry, medicines, agriculture science. This is what fields where you use the chemistry. Okay, so what are the application? Again, medicines, engineering, biology, manufacturing, geology. This is what applications of chemistry, or these are the fields of chemistry.